Hey guys, it is Wednesday. We're headed off to my grandmother's post-op appointment today to see how the white eye looks. And after that, gotta head back home for a little bit before I can get my blood work done and my hair done today. And also probably to get some weight today. So hopefully the grass will be growing. So yeah, we'll find out later on. But right now, we're headed to my grandmother's post-op appointment. So the grandma about the post-op?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Is your eye feeling better?
It's feeling a little better.
Alright guys, so we're physically for my grandmother's post-op. So I just want to race so long on the post-op.
Straight forward for me, doing good.
Alright guys, her appointment went well. She doesn't have to wear makeup until next Tuesday. So that's a bummer, right?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, my grandmother is not allowed to wear makeup until Tuesday. So next Wednesday is another follow-up with the doctor. So right now, we're heading to the car. Oh, look at that. That's Mickey D's. Or McDonald's, because I'm craving chicken McGriddles. Oh, yeah. I'm digging it. Wow. Alright guys, so I'm on my way to get my blood work. It's about the time. So, yeah, wish me luck on my appointment. Alright guys, I'm at the doctor's office about to get my blood work. So, wish me luck. Well guys, my blood level is still normal. It's 2.9. How's your grandma?
What?
How's your grandma?
That's good. It's very good.
So yeah, on the way to the car, maybe we can go to lunch with my aunt. And yeah, we're making a quick stop at Whole Foods. And then we're gonna go to lunch.
You want an orange for tomorrow?
Yeah, just get over to the phone. It's really cool.
They have this really good pop here where it has none of the back stuff for you. These look like Easter eggs. These are cheesecake. They look like Easter eggs.
Oh, wow.
Look at the whole bunny cake.
Oh, wow. Perfect time for
Yeah, but I mean, like, they're not. If you get a small one, that's not. It's only 180 calories. Honestly, the little small ones aren't the worst for you. Okay. No, seriously.
Alright guys, so I just want to show this is the vitamin water from Whole Foods, and I get ready to try it with Panera Bread today. So that's what I'm gonna try it with vitamin water and Panera Bread today. Alright guys, got my aunt in the car. How are you?
I'm fine.
So spent at my aunt, went a quick trip, get my aunt a drink, and then after that we're heading off to Panera Bread. Went to Panera Bread near the hospital. That is a huge bag of food.
Isn't it though? Here you go, babe.
Look at that huge bag.
All right, you done?
So anyway, I'm having some apples, some cracked grilled cheese, and some brownie. So let's eat. Alright guys, so today I'm at the haircut place because I'm about to get hair trimmed. So it's about that time for me to get a haircut. Alright guys, so I'm at Progressions for my haircut, and she gave me a coupon if next time I want to visit. So yeah, we actually made it early before the 2 o'clock appointment. So yeah, we're still like getting a haircut. time.
I'm pretty. I'm gonna sleep good tonight.
Yeah. So did your mom have surgery?
Enough body.
It's been really trimmed. Look at this, guys. This is my after hair.
She's a vlogger.
It's really light. It's pretty nice. By the way, this is my hairdresser right here. So, yeah. She did all the haircuts.
She
So,
did really good. You highly recommend her.
yeah, I want to recommend her. So, yeah.
Yeah. Probably go on text X-rays.
We got so
Would you
many
layer her
hair on the
hair, or
ground.
with her hair being shorter? Would you anywhere else you want to go, Trina?
I'm gonna go home. So anyway, I'm back in the car. I'm going home.
You can have it.
So my mom did help me set up the next appointment for my deep conditioning
I
treatment.
did.
So today, during my hair trim, the hairdresser did apply the deep conditioning treatment. So it takes about a minute just to get this thing dry before it washes it down. So in 8 weeks out, I'll probably gonna do another deep conditioning treatment sometime in June. So that way I can keep this hair healthy. So is that right?
You're right.
So there's not enough stuff on the scalp and something dry at the bottom. So in 8 weeks out, I'm probably gonna do another deep conditioning treatment. So yeah, that way I have to keep this hair strong. Just maybe before a trip. So yeah, good thing.
Alright.
I'm scheduled for deep conditioning treatment in 8 weeks out.
good.
So yeah. But anyway, we're on the way home. Good thing we're driving home because we're probably gonna get some rain going. So good thing we're driving home. Alright guys, I'm back at home. It's been a long day. I don't know if I'm supposed to do any gaming videos today, but I don't know. But I'm just staying relaxed today. And then tomorrow I'm gonna continue on with gaming. So yeah. So good thing I made it home. Probably gonna get some rain later, but I don't know. So good thing we made it home before this happens. So I just hooked up at the eShop, and it's for the third to be coming out on May 10th. So it is a few weeks out. So I'm really excited to play this on the go. So this is so exciting. Alright guys, so I just got done recording New Leaf, but apparently we're under a severe thunderstorm watch. That is for Sedgwick County. I don't know. So we're under a severe thunderstorm watch right now. After I got done recording New Leaf, we're under a severe thunderstorm watch right now. So good thing we got home. So we're under a severe thunderstorm watch. So yeah. Oh yeah, severe thunderstorm watch is in effect until 12 o'clock midnight tonight. So yeah, so we need to wait. So here is the sky. I think it's cloudy. I think it's about to get dark. I don't know. I think the severe weather's gonna hit us. Alright guys, so there's a severe thunderstorm warning right here. But I believe it is going to affect Wichita. So yeah. Hey, the sky is getting a little dark, as you can see. Oh boy, this is not good. I believe it's gonna get a little dark and a little nasty here. So good thing we're inside. Hopefully we're not gonna be losing power, so yeah. Alright guys, so we're under a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Sedgwick County. I believe my weather radio's not going off, I don't know. But it's getting really ugly and dark. Alright guys, so I got this radio activated, so it's all good.
Remember,
So,
a severe thunderstorm watch
yeah,
means
gotta
that
cover it.
conditions are
Oh my guys, it's getting really ugly and dark. It's got the weather radio, so let's see what happens. We're only under the severe thunderstorm warning, so yeah. Alright, looks like we have a new warning.
Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Sedgwick County, southwestern
man.
Butler County, northeastern Sumner County until 8 p.m.
Oh man,
At
this is
7:06
bad.
p.m., severe thunderstorms extended from nearly onto near Rose Hill, moving
this is
northeast
bad.
at 40 miles per hour. You can expect 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Oh, this is bad.
The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Oh man.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wichita, Derby, Andover, Augusta, Mulvane, Rose Hill, Douglas, Belle Plaine,
November
Leon,
9,
downtown Wichita, Eastboro, East Wichita, Eisenhower National Airport, Northeast Wichita, McConnell Air Force Base, South Wichita, Santa Fe Lake, Augusta Municipal Airport, Oklahoma and Jabara Airport. This includes the following highways.
Alright guys, so we're under a severe thunderstorm warning. That's until 8 o'clock. Oh boy. Alright guys, so the warning has been extended until 8. So we're gonna be okay. We're safe. Okay, we have another one. I think we have a new severe thunderstorm.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Butler County, northwestern Greenwood County, and
Okay, it's
southeastern
for
Kansas
Butler and
until
Greenwood.
8:30 p.m.
Or Greenwood.
At 7:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms extended from 5 miles north of Eureka to 11 miles northeast of Leon, moving north at 15 miles per hour.
Alright, the weather's getting bad. But we're still under a severe thunderstorm warning. That is until 8. But I don't see any damaging winds yet, or some hail. So I think we're inside, so we're gonna be safe.
The Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Sedgwick County, northwestern Sumner County until 8:30 p.m.
Oh man, 8:30.
7:25 p.m. A severe
Oh,
thunderstorm
man.
was located over Conway Springs, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour.
We have a new severe
You can
thunderstorm
expect
warning
60
for
mile
Sedgwick
per hour
County
wind
for
gusts
until
and half-dollar-size hail.
8:30.
The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Here's the inside photo of the article. See that? There is the Defco Easter eggs. It goes on until the end of the night. They're changing eggs. And yeah, you can see the different Easter eggs. And then they're going to be lasting until every day until April 22nd. So it's pretty awesome. Can't believe it. Fallout 76. Why is there Easter eggs on it? But it's an atomic shop. This is actually the first severe thunderstorm warning of the season. So this is quite the spring, you guys. It's getting dark out, so I believe we're still under a severe thunderstorm warning until 8:30, so don't see any winds or large hail, so probably we got some rain. So here's a quick tip. We live in a tornado alley. Can you believe that? We live in a tornado alley. Not the mountains in Utah or Colorado, but we live in a tornado alley in Kansas. So Kansas gets bad weather sometimes. So that's where we live, in the tornado alley. We still have thunderstorm, but we're still under the severe thunderstorm watch, but the severe thunderstorm warning is over for now. So I don't know what's going to happen again. We might get another severe thunderstorm warning, but I don't know. But right now, severe thunderstorm warning is over. Alright guys, so we got another severe thunderstorm warning for South and Central County until 9:45. So we live in the southwest. So yeah, I think we're good. But yeah. That is a trailer for Saints 1/3 for the Nintendo Switch that is coming May 10th. They have a trailer that just released. Saints 1/3 the full package on Nintendo Switch. That is so cool. I can't wait to get a hands on it. So anyway, I have a heart doctor appointment next week, but it's up in Kansas City. So hopefully we will make it. But if not, we're just gonna have to cancel the appointment, but we'll see. So yeah, but I believe I'm excited to be back in Kansas City and then back home that night. So hopefully I can make it to my appointment next week for my heart doctor. So yeah, I was gonna be back in Kansas City now, but I'll have to wait till next week. But we'll find out later. So I'm going in this vlog. Hopefully tomorrow it's gonna get better. Hopefully I'm gonna continue working on gameplay videos for you guys. So yeah, I'm glad I'm safe from the severe weather. Hopefully it expires at midnight for severe thunderstorm watch for Central County. But we are safe. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And remember, it's all adventures you want it to be. And thanks for watching. Peace. Bye-bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the end slate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Cam 17's channel. Until next time, peace.